Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a Richard Hart Bitcoin bear case. Man, we gave you two scenarios. We've been tracking these scenarios. That's how we're figuring out where Bitcoin's going on a moment-to-moment basis. Richard Hart thinks it's going to 10K. We have our own analysis and we're following that to let us know where the price action is going. Remember, this is not financial advice. We're just doing this for education and entertainment purposes. We do have levels. I use the gap trading, short selling fundamentals here, that I teach in this video to determine, if we're going lower, like to 10K, or we're going to 100K. So let's jump in. Let me in so I can give you the latest update. There you have Bitcoin on the docket, and what we've been talking about, and Richard's been talking about this as well, is this fractal, right, where you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, what is it? 3, 4, 5. Right? These are the fractals, and it was supposed to do this, and we came here and we stopped and we hung out here. This could be when you hang out just below, which I call this is resistance. At this point here was resistance. When we hang out below like that, we tend to have a follow through. So it would have matched this type of action, right? Same thing here, this type of action, but we also said this would get invalidated as soon as we can close on a daily and weekly basis. Then the weekly chart closes on the Sunday. So if we go back, this is the daily chart. So if we go back to weekly, right? And there we have it. So this we close on September 27th above the 47,500 mark. What did we close here? 47. Oops, that's the wrong one. $48,235 we closed the week on last week, and now we're testing the weekly breakup candle. We're here now, and we're making it quickly. I said if we were going to turn around, we had to do it quick and fast. There's no diddle daddling there, and we did. We just took off. It was a bear trap. It sucked in the bears, and now we're taking off. Short covering from the trading for institutional buying, and here we are at the high in the test of this breakdown candle. You'll see the market does this all the time. Next stop is right here, the high of this breakout candle, which is at 58,350. So we start closing above this particular zone, 52,000 on a daily, 4-hour daily, and then weekly, we're gonna go for the 58K. That's the next target, right? So I'm just going to remove this. I don't think this is of importance. I am going to keep this line though, and this I'm not going to remove. This is really important, this line. I like to keep my charts clean. I don't care about all the stochastics and the Joe's indicator shop. I just want candles and price action. That's the ultimate arbiter. So we want to pay attention to that. We don't want to get distracted with everything else. So if we go back in on a daily, right here, maybe we won't move this up a little bit here, but you can see it's a magnet. The price is pulling to this area. As soon as we had the breakout, we had a bull flag here, and now we're going to come and test here. I'm sure once we get to 52,600, we might pull back for a day, maybe to retest, pull back, retest, pull back, and then we'll break out. And we may do this in one move. Why? Because we came down here in one move. If you look at here, in 2 days, we did that same, right? That same thing in 2 days. So there's a lot of, here, 3 days, we did that move. Here again, 2 days, we did the move. So expect a quick, large move incoming. As soon as we break above this, previous high here, we're going to go for the breakdown candle. So this is a 2-hour chart. I think we got that high here on a weekly chart, exactly. So I'm just going to remove these lines, and that's where we're going. So right now, I am definitely bullish on Bitcoin, and I'm keeping, this is my line here, and this is my teeter-totter. Are we bearish? Are we bullish? Who's winning? Right now, bulls are winning. I am going to change my perspective if we get suckered in like this. I will know that, I'm changing my bias back to bearish, and Richard Hart will have his 10K Bitcoin. But doesn't look like it. It looks like bulls are coming back. Well, this looks like this looks like the bear trap, and or we're going to get another bull trap up here. Let's stay tuned and find out. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you tomorrow.